Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from the Crowne Plaza Airport Hotel in Panama City, Panama. And we just checked into our room here. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour. This is room number 406. We had a bit of an experience, to say the least, with the shuttle service, the complimentary shuttle bus. I'm not going to emphasize the story too much, but let's just say the service wasn't as expected. So apparently the shuttle only comes to pick up every hour, so every 60 minutes essentially. Today it wasn't necessarily the case, and there were a few things that happened that kind of confused us and were a little bit irritating, but anyway, let's just focus on the room for now. So check-in experience was good. The gentleman at the front desk was very helpful. Quick and easy check-in, no problems. Oh, K-cups. That's actually Panamanian coffee, which is very nice. Basic desk. Yeah, the check-in experience was good. No complaints. I don't think there's a view here. No, there's no view. Yeah, everything seems to be clean. It's relatively modern. We're looking forward to jumping in the pool now. But yeah, like I said, as far as the shuttle service, maybe make alternate arrangements if you can, or it depends on what time you arrive, but I would definitely call in advance. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section if you've stayed at this hotel before. What was your experience? Let us know. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and saludos de Panama.